Hello everyone. Do your kids struggle to finish their lunch at school? No worries. I have got the perfect solution. This grab and go zucchini oatmeal patties are super fun, tasty and easy to eat. Let's start cooking.
First, let's take a bowl and add 3 cups of oats powder. Then let's add salt as per taste, add chili powder and garlic powder. Before we go to next step, mix all the ingredients together. Now it's time to add zucchini. If you prefer, add some onion and chilies for more flavor. Add some water and knead it like a dough. Once the dough is ready, make it into a small balls and give a gentle press on top of the ball and make it into a patty. Let's quickly make all the patties ready for fry. In a pan, let's coat the oil and add all the patties on it. Add some oil on top of the patty and close it with the lid. Let's all the patty cook for a while and wait until it turns to golden brown. Ta-da! It's time for the kids to enjoy their lunchbox recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.